Fly, fly, fly. Scoochie, huh?
What's up, YouTube? This is Solefly Sector checking in once again. Hope you guys doing great and everything. Hope you like the new background in the back, you know, trying to get a different setting out there for all of you, and yeah, just different feeling around and everything. Please, if you're new, leave a like right now and comment down below of whatever you want, and hit that subscribe button for me, please. That will help me, so thank you for that. And by you guys, as you can see from the title, I have a pair of shoes to show all of you, to my fly people, my family out there and everything. Yeah, we have some shoes for all of you to see. Okay, the first one, I already unboxed it because I did do a unboxing already, and I didn't really like how it came out, and it is what it is. So that being said, let's get right into it. But I haven't seen the shoes yet. Wow, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Dude, these look crazy. Look at what the translucent hit on the pan leather, the black pan leather, and the purple pan leather here in the black. In the back, I'm like twisting my words as I speak, and like the felt right here on the toe. This shoe is a Air Max 1. For those of you that don't know this model, Air Max 1s, and these are called the Hyper Pink colorway, and these are a really crazy colorway. At first, when I saw, you know, little photos here and there of what's going to release, I saw these and I thought it was a good shoe, a good Air Max 1 to start off my Air Max collection, I guess you could say. My first Air Max 1. It's a good colorway because it resembles me in like a bit, because it's a, well, seeing it now, it's a really unique shoe, as you could see by all of the colors and everything going on around it, because I had no idea this was pan leather. I had no idea this was pan leather. I just thought it was some like nylon material or like some felt, but it's not. It's my favorite material of all because it's pan leather and it's shiny and it's bright and everything. So tell me what you think about these. So a hyper pink Air Max 1s. I don't know why I keep on saying hyper pink. And this one has like this cool little squishy hang tag here. It says Nike right there, and it's pink, you know, stands for hyper pink, right? And I think I did a pretty good job of copying these. It was these or the Jordan 5s that came out, the Jordan 5 Lucky Green, I think that's what those called. No, apple green. I think those are the apple green. Yeah, apple green. So, you know, I chose to get these instead. I think I did a pretty good job of copying these because it's something different. It's a model that I never had, so why not? And I think I did a good job, whoops, of copying these, because they're a little bit more crazy and unique, as I said, right? So why not? So let's get into another shoe. I do have another shoe to show you guys. So Hyper, I said it again, Hyper Pink Air Max 1s. Like a nice little 80s like shoe, 80s feel. So let's get into these. So by the box you probably could already see what branding that is. Yes, I did get Balenciaga, but it's not I didn't get hit over that price. So I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good on the price. So it wasn't anything crazy. It wasn't that crazy. Well, for me, it wasn't that crazy. So I don't know what you guys will say, but let's get into it. So we got the box and everything. I got these off eBay, and the seller was pretty good to like work with, you know, on the price, you know. So yeah. So these are the sock shoes, the ones that aka Balenciaga speed trainers. These are like the model, like the new ones. These are like the new model that comes with actual laces, because the first ones are actually a sock shoe, because they don't come with anything. You could just slip them on and you're good to go. The reason why I wanted another pair of these is because these shoes are, believe it or not, these shoes are comfy, really comfy. And why not cop a pair of like navy Balenciaga speed trainers? And these you could do anything with. You could work out, walk, just try them on as a good outfit, you know, high fashion outfit, designer outfit. Yeah, really nice and comfy shoe, if you ask me. Sorry, let's get this a little bit more closer to me, so you can see me more often, more better. Okay, so yeah, this is the second shoe, Balenciaga speed trainer with the laces, you know, and these are comfy, like super comfy. I don't know what they did to these designer shoes, because I heard like a lot. I heard a lot of things about designer shoes not being that comfy and all of that. So yeah, that's two shoes that I want to talk to you guys about. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the fly shoes. The fly shoes that I have to show and share with you guys. Hey guys. You know, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, if you're new, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and comment down below of whatever you want. Tell me what you guys think about the shoes, the new flavors in town, new fly shoes, man. Yeah, going to be rocking these soon, hopefully. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.